So today I'm going to be showing you guys what you get when you buy this product. It's the PRITECH Body Hair Trimmer, and this is the packaging of how it looks overall. It has adjustable guards with 5-lane settings, 100% waterproof, LED spotlight and power status indicator, Type-C charging dock, and a safe and sharp ceramic blade. So let's see how it is. This is how it looks. So you can see, and I think this is the shaver thing, the trimmer. This is the charging stuff, and it has the blades in here and the charging cord. And it also contains, let me see, the directions and everything as well, and just like warnings, everything you need to know before using this product. Let's see. I really like how it's easy to take off. It's not like in uncomfortable plastic packaging. And this is how it looks overall. It's not that heavy. It seems light. You can press and hold the power button 3 seconds to lock and unlock. So that's convenient if you have kids around and things like that, so they don't accidentally shave their hair or something like this. Been incidents like that. And here is the charging thing to charge it. If you see here. But yeah, let's see how this is. Let's see if it's charged right now. Oh yeah, and there's a light shining. It also shows you how much power is left, which is really nice, so you know when it's time to charge. And the blades, it doesn't hurt me at all. Uh oh wow, I got rid of my arm here. But yes, it works even for places that you need it to. And this is nice, especially like for girls or guys who have like a lot of body hair. Oh, you can also increase it too, which is really nice as well. And then you can turn it off. So if you have a lot of body hair and you need something that doesn't like pinch your skin or hurt you or cut you, I definitely do recommend this.